Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. The topic we are going to discuss about SQL Energine keyboard. So basically the Energine keyboard select record that have matching value in a both table. So basically first let me change the color of this. So we need to go enter in the system. So basically we are going to create a table. We will go create two table first. So by following the same thing which we have done previous class also, create table. I will give employee 1, employee 1. So I'm going to give the ID. I want to have ID also, ID primary key auto increment. I want to have also name worker. The type is a worker, so giving 40. Name worker, last name. Also need the data type is a worker, so I'm going to give the value 40. As much as you can give, that much character should be there. So the second should be the major is also a worker type, so you can give a value for that. I think it's enough. Let's go for the next one. So this one is already you can see the queries. Okay, 0 row is affected. So the next thing we are going to do is going to insert or going to make a row inside of our table. If I'm going to say describe imply 1. As you can see that my table is created, so I need to add a row inside of that. So for that we need to use insert into imply 1. So I'm going to give the name, the another one last name, and we have a major. So the values as name I will give a Safa, and I will give a last name Khan, and I'm going to give a major as major or whatever major you have, you can give. So basically I'm going to close and enter. As you can see, I have created one row inside, so I'm going to create one more. I'm not going to type again, so I'm just editing this thing. That's it. So basically it should be charts. Okay, and I will change this one. I'm going to change this one also. One more I want also. This one should be a slash, and this one should be D, and this should be a okay. Let me check. I have a table or not. So basically typing select is okay. 0 row is affected. So the next thing we are going to do is going to insert or going to make a row inside of our table. If I'm going to say describe imply 1. As you can see that my table is created, so I need to add a row inside of that. So for that we need to use insert into imply 1. So I'm going to give the name, the another one last name, and we have a major. So the values as name I will give a Safa, and I will give a last name Khan, and I'm going to give a major as major or whatever major you have, you can give. So basically going to close and enter. As you can see, I have created one row inside, so I'm going to create one more. I'm not going to type again, so I'm just editing this thing. That's it. So basically it should be charts. Okay, and I will change this one. I'm going to change this one also. One more I want also. This one should be a slash, and this one should be D, and this should be a okay. Let me check. I have the table or not. So basically typing select start from employer 1. So as you can see, we have the table for the first one, which is employee 1. So I just want to go for the second one, create employee 2, create a table employee 2. So I'm just going to give here for this we need the ID also, ID int primary key, and then auto increment. So the next one we are going to give the salary. I need also a salary here, should be here. We need giving a worker 14 value, salary should be 14, and then the next one is going to be email. So email should be data type is a worker, so give the value and then close it. As you can see, describe apply to. So you can see the table is created already, so I just need to insert the value in my table. Insert into apply to. So by apply to, by adding the data type which I give, for example salary, I have given salary, then I have a email, and the next one is going to give the values. So values, I'm going to give salary is a 23,000, yes, and email is also I will give Safa, no, one second, Safa gmail.com, and then I'm going to close it. So the one row is affected, so I just want to have two more. Basically it should be the same or equal, as much you can give, but I'm going to add two more by editing only, because I don't want to take the time too much also. So I will give the age Ahmad gmail.com, then salary I will give it 20k, and the next one is going to be Akhi. So I'm just going to change the name Akhi, and then the salary should be 15. That's it. We're going to say select star from employee 1. So this was the first one. The second one will be say select star from employee 2. As you can see, we have a two table right now. So I am going to use the join operator, which is inner join, combining both table by using the ID. Basically we are going to use the query as select employee 1 dot, it means where should I take. So I'm going to say select employee dot, I would say dot ID. I want to have ID also, comma, then I will say again, you will be saying okay, giving a space or not a space, employee 1 dot should be name, okay, comma, then employee 1 dot last name. I have a last name also in my table, so I want to have it the join operator, inner join. So it means like when I'm inserting these things, it will be all of them will be in the table, so no missing things. So this one is I want to have a employee ID, employee name, employee and last name. So basically you can see here, and I just want to have also major, employee 1 dot major. So take the major also. These ones, when it's done, you will go to say like from employee 2 what you want to have, employee 2 dot, from employee 2 I want to have an ID, okay, then you will give a comma, then employee 2 dot salary, also I want to have salary, and give a comma, and I want to have also email, employee 2 dot email. So I just want to have this email also. When it is done, you just go, don't give a comma, go say from employee 1 using Energine. So employee 2 on employee 1 dot id. So dot id equal to employee 2 dot id. When it is done, just give a semicolon in the last minutes and hit the enter. As you can see, I just combined two tables. The first one was employee 1. As you can see here, select the star from employee 1. I just give the 4 column and 3 row. The 4 column is based on the ID, name, last name, major, and the row is ID 1, 2, 3, Safa, Ahmad, Wahid. And the employee 2, I just give that ID. Basically, the Energine's operator is saying like, if you're going to combine two tables, it needs to find out based on the ID. For example, in Energine, combine records from two tables. Whenever there are matching value in a field common to both tables. So basically, when the ID is matching, so it will be combined on that. If the ID is not matching, it will not combine the join Energine. So basically, this was a today topic. Thank you for watching.